All right, guys, in this module, we're going to be going over how to film your own videos. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can get videos filmed. You can film your own. You can have an actor do them. You can have a videographer come out and film them. This module is if you want to do a full solo sort of thing. Maybe have a business partner or a girlfriend help you like set up the equipment. But besides that, this is going to show you how to essentially do a solo operation. Now, before I get into this, this is not the most advanced camera setup you can have. This is like a bare minimum. You can get better equipment than this. But guess what? It's not going to make your stuff perform better. Not for B2C ads, not for local ads. Getting better equipment than what's provided on this Google slide right here will do essentially nothing for you. If you start running ads for courses and coaches and stuff here on TikTok, then it might do something. But it's not going to do something for our application. Step one of filming good videos is lighting. These are Amazon links. This is a ring light. This is a box light. You can use either of these, or you can actually use three. If you YouTube like 3-point lighting setup, you can actually use all three of them. This makes it so you don't have nasty shadows behind you. You're not going to look like you're filming in a Russian basement being held up by people with AK-47s. It's going to make it look a little bit more professional. Beyond that, you have to have good audio. Lav mics are my favorite. This is a really good brand, Movo Photo. Sometimes they're out of this particular one, but you can order any of the other ones. Just make sure they say iPhone compatible and you're good to go. This is another earpiece you can use that attaches to these. This gets a little bit better audio quality, but the ones that come stock with it are just fine. As long as you're not just filming off the audio from your phone, because that sounds horrible. If you're doing outdoors moving shots, you will want to get a gimbal. These are very valuable if you're doing walking shots or anything like that. Like let's say you're doing a chiropractor ads and you want to do a walkthrough of the office, you're going to want to get a gimbal for that. If you're in a niche, which not many of you will be, but if you're in a niche where you can just film from your office and you're just going to be standing up against a wall, I recommend getting a painting. You do not want to film up against a blank wall. It looks terrible and it will probably hurt performance. Never tested it. I wouldn't use your own money to test it though. This is where you can get really good large canvas art for your walls. Makes everything look more professional. This is everything you need to film things by yourself. Really nothing beyond this. I personally recommend using the videographer method, which is going to be in one of the next modules. But you can film by yourself if you want to. And that's it for this module, guys. So lighting, good audio, gimbal if you want to film moving. If you're in a niche where you can film specifically in your office, make sure you aren't filming against blank walls and you get some canvas art. That's it for this module, guys. I'll see you in the next one.